In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Framer app with ease. This process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have the app up and running on your computer. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom part of the site. This is typically where you'll find the links for downloads and other resources. As you reach the bottom, keep an eye out for a section labeled Downloads. This is where we need to be. Go ahead and click on Downloads. Doing so will present you with options to choose from based on your operating system. You'll see options for both Windows and Mac OS. Now take a moment to think about the device you plan to install this on. If you're using a Windows computer, click on the Windows option. Alternatively, if you're on a Mac, select Mac OS. Once you've made your selection, the download process will kick off automatically. Keep an eye on it. It might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. When the download finishes, it's time to install the application. Locate the downloaded file on your computer, which is often saved in the Downloads folder, and double-click it to launch the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. It's generally a pretty smooth process, so you shouldn't run into any hiccups. During installation, the Framer app will prompt you to choose how you'd like to continue, either with Google or via email. This choice determines how you sign into the app, so go with whichever option suits you best. If you select Google, you'll simply sign in with your Google credentials. If you choose email, you'll need to provide your email address and follow any prompts. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded and installed the Framer app. With it installed, you're now ready to explore all the creative possibilities this powerful app has to offer. Before you dive into creating with Framer, be sure to take a moment to like this video if you found it helpful. Your feedback means a lot and helps others discover this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you'll be alerted whenever we share more tips and tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you and are always here to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Framer.